back in the house. It's me again, Dash19. What's up? What's going on? Oh my lord. I normally don't watch news or anything like that because I'm all into like Instagram and YouTube and all that, but somehow YouTube have news and videos and everything that people uploaded, and then it came across that America, what can I say? I don't want to talk about this, you know. It's really pissing me off how people treating people so unkindly and so unrespectful. So I just want to leave it there. But all we know is like all of us human beings need some respect and be equal and embrace. You know what I mean? So anyway, let's jump to the makeup. So today guys, as today makeup vibe that we're going for is to do Orange Blossom tutorial. So today we're gonna go full on orange, but girl, I was like thinking so hardly that I don't have orange lipstick. I don't know if I have it, so but you know what, I'm gonna turn it out. Alright guys, so as you can see that my brows is missing. So today I'm gonna actually draw her right away with you guys. So I want to make this equal with you, so let's do it. So first I'm gonna start with the outline brows with the feather brows pencil. So I'm gonna say to you guys that brows is the most common thing that you taking longest time onto the most. So I have no problem with that at all because you want your brows to be looking sickening and looking nice and slay as hell as well, you know? Like you can't just go with, you know, with uneven eyebrows, or one is too dark or one is too light, you know what I mean? You're gonna make it right. Then you're gonna clean it out a little bit like this with the brows brush. For the brow pomade, I'll be using a shadow finer angle brush like this to dip it into the brow pomade. Okay. Okay guys, so now it's time to shape your brows. Alright guys, so for shaping your brows, maybe some people that actually use concealer the most, but for me, I use a foundation and concealer too, because sometimes concealer can be so thick and it can leave the clunky kind of things on top of your brows or under. So that's why I'm just taking a foundation because it's more lighter than that, so you can blend everything together well. But I mix the foundation and some of a little bit concealer together to make it more sickening. Pop the foundation on there, and I'm gonna use flower concealer and drop her on there a little bit to mix them well, and then shape my brows. And then you're gonna use a beauty sponge to clean the rest of your foundation or the concealer. Wow, okay. Wow, she give me that kind of like Kim K and Kylie vibe, and I'm leaving it, okay. Girl, the brows though, like what? No comment. I'm just gonna say like I might change my mind to go and use this brow pomade. So anyway guys, let's go for our eyes. Alright guys, so as for our eyeshadow palette, I'll be using is Jaclyn Hill's eyeshadow palette volume 2 today. And for today's brush, I'll be using soft definer. And for the first color, we will be going for Positivity. then feeling myself. And last but not least, my man. And then when we're done, it's time for cut crease. For the concealer that I'll be using for my cut crease today is e.l.f. 16 Hour Caramel Concealer. Alright guys, so I'll be using, no joke, the yellow color to dab it in the corner of my eye to make it more a little bit stylish. And for the following color, I'll be going for Certified. And for that, let's go for the glitter. As for the yellow corner right there, I'll be using Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow Glitter. Alright guys, so my glitter and shimmer is on, so now it's time for the eyelash and eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so my lash and eyeliner is on, so now let's move on to the foundation. And for the foundation, I'll be using Light Illusion Flower Cosmetic. The concealer I'll be using from Flower Cosmetic, again, this is Medium Honey. And for the contour, I'll be using from Revolution, and she is F13. And then you're gonna make your face with some banana lucent powder. Alright guys, so now it's time to matte your face with some powder. So the powder I'll be using for today is Fit Me. The shade is 120. Then you're gonna add some contour powder onto your cheek a little bit. And then you're gonna bake under your cheekbone. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add some peachy orange color onto my nose, across like around there, to make it more looking cute and everything. So I'm gonna mix with Positivity and Feeling Myself. That is so cute. And for my highlighter, I'll be using from Revolution. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make a little tiny dot around my nose area to make it more of like seductive and cuteness. Oh my god guys, it's so cute. I'm gonna actually brush this off and then let's go for the lipstick. Alright guys, so for the lipstick that I'll be using is Royal Paris, and this is the I Achieve, and she is very orange, and let's give her a whirl. Alright guys, so the lips though, like, oh my lord, the lips is like stunning. I thought she was gonna give me like a tacky, kind of muddy lipstick kind of moment, but girl, she's not giving me that at all. She gave me like this moist and hydration, and I'm living for it. Alright guys, so now it's time for set our face with some setting spray, and then let's go for the final thought. Oh my god, guys, so this is so cute. Oh my god, like I'm leaving for like the top here. It's so cute and give me this kind of like orange filter memento realness, and I love it. I love everything of it. Alright guys, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoy my video and my tutorial, my makeup, my everything, and I hope you guys get all the deeds and needs and everything to help you to do your look and the makeup as well. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.